Dear students, we were discussing page layout ribbon, and today we will be focusing on the last module in this category of page layout ribbon, and we will explore arrange group available in page layout ribbon. So in arrange group we have these options available like position, wrap text, bring forward, set backward, selection pane, align, group and rotate. So let's start the practical. So we are on the same document on which we were working previously, and we are on the page layout ribbon. We have discussed page setup group, paragraph group in the last modules, and today we will be focusing on arrange group. So in arrange group we have the position, wrap text, bring forward, backward, etc. different options available, and all of those options will become active. At the moment they are deactivated. They will become active when we have certain kind of shapes available on this document which we want to place within the document using the position, wrap text and other options. So let's have few shapes. So go into insert and insert few shapes. For example, this is one of the shape, and let's have the format shape option, fill, no fill, so that it remained like this. And then we can solid line, and maybe we can just pick it a little bit more thicker so that it is visible. And then we have another shape like this one, and again click on the right mouse button, format shape option, no fill, line solid and a little bit more thicker. So if you select this, and here is the content which is being written already. So if you go into page layout and position, so I want to set the position of this shape like this one. This is in top left corner, this is in the middle, this is in the right side, this is in the middle left, this is in the middle and center. So you can see like this one, and I can also try to explore further by set backward. So this is the shape which we have available over here. And then we have, for example, this is another shape which, for example, you can put over here, and then you can also make the position like this one, so wherever you want. So this is the position. So normally when we are placing things within the text, so we normally go with the inline with text. So this means that this will be within the text and it will not make problems for your text. Then we have wrap text, like how you want to wrap the text around this figure. So for example, if I select over here, so I say let's try to select this one and say wrap text top and bottom, behind the text so it is not visible, in front of text, added wrap points, square, tight, etc. So all such things are available under wrap text. And then we have the next option available, that is, so for example, if we have these two figures, so we want at the moment this is on the front and that is on the back side. So if we want to make this figure at the back side, so you can just go over here and set backward or bring forward. So these are different options which you can select, like this one. So you can say go to back and bring to front, etc. And then there is another option available as selection pane. So the selection pane is an option. So when you have number of figures available on your document and you cannot select those figures, sometimes they are on the background and not visible, so in such a case you can use selection pane. So it will give you all of the figures available. For example, if you click on it, so it will be selected. If you click on it, it will be selected. Show all, hide all. So this one, so you can even hide, right? So then we have such things available. Then we can also go with the align. So for example, if I select these two and I say okay, align. So if I say align left, so they are aligned from the left side. Similarly, you can select align top, so they are aligned from the top side, etc. And then you can also group these two figures as well. So if I group these two figures, so they will become one particular figure. They belong to the same group. So for example, if I click on it and ungroup, so I can ungroup the figures. So then I am able to move the figures individually. Otherwise, if they are grouped together, then we cannot move figure individually. And then the last thing is the rotate. So rotate 90 degree, rotate, flip vertically, horizontally, etc. So it's better to write something. For example, if I add something, virtual university, so the content is not be seen. So now you can see that I have such an option available, and then like this one. So now if I go over here and rotate, so it would be better to see that flip horizontally, vertically, rotate 90 angle, rotate rightwise, and so on. So these are all the options available in the arrange group under page layout ribbon. So dear students, today we have discussed the arrange group, and the topic we have covered: position, wrap text, bring forward, send backward, selection pane, align, group, and rotate. So here we have finished the page layout ribbon in Microsoft Word.